When it comes to LiDAR processing software, every manufacturer tends to have their own. Two basic types of software needed to compile LiDAR data are GPS navigation sensing system, correction software, sometimes called differential GPS, and LiDAR compile software. GNSS correction software correct for small GPS error caused by slight timing and inertial errors. This software takes all the discrete GPS positional fixes and corrects for GPS positional error and gaps in GPS coverage. The two most common are real-time kinematic processing, where the rover GNSS system is communicating real-time through the radio to a higher accuracy GNSS ground-based station. The second is post-processing kinematic processing, where the rover GNSS and the ground-based station GNSS datasets are processed after collection to correct the location data. Finally, if dealing with a mobile solution, then GPS signal will be intermittently lost while moving. To adjust for this, an inertial navigation system, INS, an inertial measuring unit, IMU, is required. All these software produce a navigation solution which can be used to determine the location of the platform in time, space, and orientation. Next, LiDAR compiler software fuses the navigation solutions with the relative distance measurements and point attribute values to produce a LiDAR point cloud.